To fix GLFW error 65542 in Minecraft Windows 11, open any browser you have, Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. In address bar, you need to type OpenGL32, then press enter. Make sure you are selecting the same website. Scroll down. Here you need to download this DLL file as per the bit version. If you are using 64-bit version, then you have to select this one. If you are using 32-bit version, then you have to select this option. To check your bit version, I have mentioned the video link in the description. For now, we're gonna download this one as we have 64-bit version. After downloading, open the file. Simply double click and open it, and right click and select copy. Then click on this PC, then open local disk C. Here you need to select program files, then Java, then JRE folder, then bin folder, and here you simply need to paste the file. Just scroll down and paste in here. Click on continue. After this, simply open the T launcher and hopefully this will fix your issue.